Hi, this is Mario Veluso and we're here to discuss how to add large numbers. Uh, when we see a large number like this one, each digit represents a certain place value. For example, 6 in here represents 6 units. The 5 in here represents 5 groups of 10. The 4 in here represents 4 groups of 100. And 3 represents 3 groups of 1000. So for example, we have this number 5287. We need to expand to show its real value of each digit. So this one is 5000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 7. Now in order to add large number, we need to expand to show the addition of the numbers. For example, we have 4532 plus 126. We need to expand both numbers first. So this one becomes 4000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 2. And 126, we need to align each place value to each number accordingly. So 100 would fall in here, 20 would be here, and then 6 would be here. And then we can add, starting from the right. 2 plus 6 is 8, 30 plus 20 is 50, 500 plus 100 is 600, and 4000 plus 0 is 4000. And then we can combine. This one becomes 4658. Sometimes when we add numbers, there's an extra place value that we need to move to the next place value. So for example, like this one, 3681 plus 4273. So we need to expand both. First, this becomes 3000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 1. This one becomes 4000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 3. So if we add this one, 1 plus 3 is 4. 80 plus 70 is 150. But 100 is for the next place value, so we remove it here. We add it to here. And then we can add 100 plus 600 plus 200 is 900. And then 3000 plus 4000 is 7000. And then we can combine 7,000. This becomes 7,954. Sometimes there's more than one number that will have to move to the next place value. For example, 4379 plus 286. So we need to expand first. This becomes 4000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 9. 286, we need to align with the same place value. 200 should be aligned here, 80 should be aligned here, and 6 should be aligned here. And then we can add 9 plus 6 is 15, but since this one is on the 10th place value, we need to remove it here and we need to add it here. So 10 plus 7 plus 8 is 160. 160, but 100 should be moved to the next place value, so we have to remove it here and place it here. This becomes 100 plus 300 plus 200 is 600. And then 4000 plus 0 is 4000. And then we can combine. This becomes 4665. But we can do a shortcut on all of this. we can remove all the zeros and the plus. We remove all the zeros and the plus. And then we can just use the digits themselves to add. So for example, for number 1, we just need to align the numbers of the same place value. So 4,532. So we need to align the same place value. So 6 should be aligned with 2. 2 should be aligned with 3. And then 1 should be aligned with 5. And then we can add. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. And then 4,000. Okay. So for number 2, we only need to do the digits themselves. We don't need to add the 0 and the plus. This one will be 3,681, and then 4,273. So starting from the right, 1 plus 3 is 4, 8 plus 7 is 15. We only need to put 5 in here, and then we put 1 in here. 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. We put 9 in here. 3 plus 4 is 7. So the answer is 7,954 for number 3. So we put the first number 4,379. It's good to have a bit of distance between numbers. And then we put 286. So we align them with their own place value. So 6 should be aligned with 9, 8, 7, and 2 with 3. We add. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So we only need to put 5 in here. We put 1 in here. So 1 plus 7 plus 8 is 16. We need to only put 6 in here and then 1 in here. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. And then 4 plus 0 is 4. And this is the answer for number 3. So that is how we add large numbers.